Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify health, nutrition, and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into something that's been buzzing in the fitness world for a while: intermittent fasting. You've probably heard about it from a friend or seen it on social media, but what exactly is it? Does it really help with weight loss, blood sugar aging, or is it just another fad? Stay with us till the end, because we're unpacking the science, the benefits, the myths, and how to start it safely. What is intermittent fasting? First off, intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's not about what you eat, it's about when you eat. It's a pattern of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. There are several popular methods. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours. Eat during an 8-hour window. 5-2 method. Eat normally 5 days a week, and reduce calories to around 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat-stop-eat method. 1 or 2 24-hour fasts per week. Why it matters is that fasting changes how your body behaves at a cellular and hormonal level. Let's talk about that. So, what happens when you fast? When you fast, your insulin levels drop. This allows your body to access stored fat more easily. Meanwhile, growth hormone can increase, which supports fat burning and muscle gain. On a cellular level, your body initiates a process called autophagy. Think of it as your cells taking out the trash, getting rid of damaged components, which may play a role in preventing diseases like Alzheimer's. Here is a summary of key effects during fasting. Lower insulin. Increased fat burning. Cellular repair. Enhanced hormone balance. Sounds powerful, right? What are the benefits of intermittent fasting? Let's break down the most science-supported benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss and belly fat reduction. Studies show intermittent fasting helps reduce calorie intake without the need to consciously restrict calories. Fasting boosts your metabolism temporarily by increasing norepinephrine. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can reduce blood sugar by 3 to 6% and insulin levels by 20 to 30%. This is especially useful if you're pre-diabetic. Heart health. It may improve blood pressure, triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, all risk factors for heart disease. Brain health. Intermittent fasting increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a compound that supports brain function and may reduce depression risk. Longevity. Animal studies suggest fasting may extend lifespan. Human data is still evolving, but the results are promising. Common myths about intermittent fasting. Now let's clear up a few common myths you might have heard. Some people say that you'll lose muscle with intermittent fasting. If you're getting enough protein and doing strength training, you'll likely retain, or even gain muscle. Some say that fasting slows down your metabolism. Short term, fasting may actually increase your metabolic rate. It is a common myth that you'll feel tired and foggy. Once adapted, many people report increased energy and focus during fasted hours. Intermittent fasting is a really good health practice. But for some people, it may not be the case. Let's dive into this a bit more. Intermittent fasting might be great for you if you're generally healthy, if you want to manage weight or blood sugar, and if you're looking for a simple eating routine. But avoid fasting if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have a history of eating disorders, if you're underweight, or if you're on medications that require food intake. Always talk to your doctor before starting intermittent fasting, especially if you have health conditions. Alright, ready to give it a try? Here's how to ease into intermittent fasting. Start with a 12 to 12 schedule. That's 12 hours of eating, 12 hours fasting. Gradually push toward 14 to 10 or 16 to 8. Stay hydrated. Drink water, black coffee, or tea during fasting. No calories. Eat nutrient-dense foods. When your eating window opens, don't binge on junk. Stick to whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and veggies. Be consistent, not perfect. It's okay if some days are off. It's about long-term consistency, not perfection. Intermittent fasting isn't magic, but it can be a powerful tool when used correctly. It's flexible, backed by science, and might be the simplest way to take control of your metabolism and health, without counting calories or following strict diets. Remember, it's not just about skipping meals, it's about creating a sustainable rhythm for your body to thrive. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And if you've tried intermittent fasting, let me know in the comments what worked, what didn't. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health tips every week.